Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshot in MacBook Pro. The quickest and most common way to take screenshots on a MacBook Pro is by using keyboard shortcuts. Here are the main shortcuts you need to know. A full screen screenshot captures everything visible on your entire screen, including the menu bar and dock. To take a full screen screenshot, press Command plus Shift plus 3 simultaneously. You will hear a camera shutter sound and the screenshot will be saved on your desktop. So this is the screenshot as I am using dual monitor setup. So there are two screenshots. If you want to capture a specific portion of the screen, then press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will change to crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse button to take the screenshot, which will be saved on your desktop. So this is the screenshot. To capture an entire window, press Command plus Shift plus 4 plus spacebar. Your cursor will turn into a camera icon. Move it over the window you want to capture and click once to take the screenshot. So if we want to capture this window, then click on it. So here is the screenshot and it will be saved on your desktop. I hope you now understand how to take screenshot in MacBook Pro. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.